Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve WebView2 Runtime installations failed error. So when there is an issue, the Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime installations or its components, you may encounter and the following error message: installations failed. The Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime is already installed for the system. So this typically occurs when trying to manually install the WebView2 Runtime, and the common causes include incomplete or corrupted previous installations, registry conflicts, insufficient permissions, and leftover installations files from earlier attempts. Then I'll show you how to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to configure the registry entries. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run, and then pop up this run. So here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword regedit, and then next step, then you need to click this OK. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. So before you proceed in the registry, so I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restart it back. In order to create a backup, so it's very simple. So all you have to do is to select this file tab, and then you need to select export and then click. So here in export registry file, and then you need to find and locate in which locations and folder you want to save this file, and creating file name, and then you must also include with the date, and the next step, then you need to click this save. Alright, and if you needed to import it back the files, so all you have to do is to click again this file tab, and then select import. So here in import registry file, and then you need to find and locate now in which folder you save the files, and then click open. Alright, so we will proceed now. And the next step, then you need to select this H key local machines. So click this arrow to expand, and then you need to select this software folder. So click this arrow again to expand, and then here at software folder, and then you need to find and locate this WoW6432 node. So you need to scroll down and locate that. So if you already find this WoW6432 node, so all you have to do is to click again this arrow to expand, and then you need to find again here this Microsoft folder. So you need to scroll down and select this Microsoft folder. So click this arrow to expand again, and then here at Microsoft folder, then you need to find and locate this Edge update. So you need to scroll down and select this Edge update. So all you have to do is to click this arrow again to expand, and then here at Edge update, and then you need to select this clients. So all you have to do is to click again this arrow to expand, and then here we need to select this F3017226-FA2A-4295-88DF-00C3A9A7A So all you have to do is to delete this clients. So on how to delete, so select and then right click, and then you can see this delete, and then you need to click this to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close, and then we need to restart. Okay, so here in the start menu, and then you need to click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix WebView2 Runtime installations failed error. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.